Welcome to the cooking class of spontaneous lunch idea. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start our burners first, all right? And first we're gonna put skillet with the sauté vegetables with shrimps. Right? And the second skillet will be filled with a different kind of barbecue meat which we grilled yesterday. You have beef, you have chicken, and you have pork ribs. Alright, so this is our two main dishes. Second we're gonna do spaghetti with marinara sauce. We put couple tablespoons of olive oil. You know, it's a time to put our spaghetti pasta. Beautiful. We're gonna give it 1 second to get warm. Okay. While our pasta is cooking, we're gonna put our marinara sauce on a special little skillet. Organic sauce from Tuscany, made in Italy. Sta bene, tutto bene. Tutto bene ragazzi. Spaghetti almost ready, couple more minutes. We're just gonna try it out. Very nice. A little crunchy. We need to give another 3-4 minutes. But the olive oil in the water make it very smooth, liquidy condition, so the pasta, each spaghetti is not attached and glued together. It's very, very good part of recipe. So, same with marinara sauces, get it hot. We will put the Parmesan cheese on top and some basilic. You watch till the end to see that great performance. Sta bene. Tutto bene ragazzi. Alright, so this is our fantastic spaghetti pasta. Look at this, look at this. Very nice, juicy, creamy, but not sticking. Every piece is by itself separated. It's amazing, amazing. I want to invite you over. So, next step, we're gonna put marinara sauce. Decorate and give a little more spicy. You have to smell it. Extra aged Parmesan cheese. Look at this, just. I wish you're here with us. You have to be very generous, not greedy with your spices. And Parmesan is one of the most important ingredients of the good Italian pasta. Now our spontaneous ex pronto luncheon is ready. Voila!